When I was a little girl, I had a lot of aspirations in my life. Career-wise, I wanted to become an archaeologist. That was the first thing that crossed my mind when people asked me, what do you want to be when you grow up? I wanted to uncover all the hidden secrets of the world. I wanted to study the story of civilizations and people. I wanted to understand the pyramids very deeply, so I started to collect all types of pyramids I would see everywhere in any type of shop, from souvenir shop to antique. I had pyramids everywhere in my bedroom. I would wear one hanging on my neck, I would put one on the top of my head to heal my headache, and I felt truly inspired by that path. However, I also wanted to be a ballerina. I've always danced in my life. And thinking about living my life dancing on stage, oh my goodness, that's a dream come true. So since I was a little kid, I remember wearing ballerina clothes. It was a funny combination, being a ballerina and an archaeologist. But that's how we are when we are children. We dream, we're passionate about things. Becoming an archaeologist or a ballerina has nothing to do with money, has nothing to do with building a career. It's fueled by pure passion. But as we grow older, things change. And it changed to me as well. Practicality and reason began to take the reins, unfortunately. I realized that making a living pursuing these passions could be very challenging. So I changed course. That's all I could do. I went to advertising school, and for over 25 years, that's all I've done in my life. I danced a little bit here and there. I still spent some time studying people's stories, but then my connection with people was more related to their behaviors today as consumers. Advertising was my life, but despite working with people and their behaviors, it's still too far from my passion. Deep down, I wanted to work with people's stories, so I decided to go on a double journey. Now, I do not recommend this to everyone, but if you're able to try and pursue a dream while you're making a living out of a different job, it's fine. And that's what I did. And that reconnection with my dream was the trigger I was waiting for. For me, it was very exciting to discover that I could follow my calling and my passion and make a successful living doing so. So here, I want to show you that's never too late to change your career, no matter how old you are. My new path began when I was 40. The flip happened when I was 45. So I can assure you, you can do the same. Changing your career has the power to change your life completely. If you still dream about a life that you never had, that's the way to go. And my methodology, Talk the Walk, is the formula that helped me make that pivot. And I'll share this with you right now. So if you're ready to make a change, think about two elements. Think about the walk and about the talk. Now, they're very similar words, but for a letter, T and W. However, the talk cannot be that similar to the walk. These are completely different elements, and you need to learn how to work them properly. Now, walk means finding your why, which means understanding your purpose, embracing ambiguity as it happens constantly in our lives, reflect on your learnings, and identify your unique knack. So it's why, ambiguity, learnings, and knack. These are the four elements of your walk. Now, how do you talk about this? Well, you're not talking about your whole story all the time to everyone. You need to split it in chapters. So your big walk is a combination of many little walks that you took in your life. And then your talk should reflect each one of them, taking into consideration your audience and your goal at each interaction. When it comes to talk, remember, tease. You don't want to give away the entire story to everyone. Create an arc that captivates people. And the arc also depends on the audience. Leave them with something valuable. These are their learnings. And present a kaleidoscope of perspectives and insights. Because the elements are the same, but the story changes. By leveraging this methodology, Talk the Walk, I was able to successfully build story. And now I want you to be able to build your dream too. So here's how you can join me on this incredible journey of self-discovery and career transformation. First, subscribe to this channel here. Watch the videos for valuable tips and engage in conversations. Ask questions. I'll do my best to answer your questions and give you the information you need. Second, you can also form your own group and invite me to facilitate a tailored workshop. We can spend a day together or just a couple of hours. No matter how long, I'm sure you'll feel energized and ready to start your new life. Third, you can join my group classes. Story DevX is a series of group classes that are happening right now, and I'll have new cohorts in December this year, both in English and in Portuguese. In these workshops, I'll share secrets that help change your life. So if you want to join us, just click on the link that I'll leave down here. Fourth, you can also hire me as your personal coach. You will get my undivided attention and unlimited support. And finally, you can also invite me to speak in one of your events. It's all about inspiration and empowering you to achieve your dreams. So let's embark on this journey together, because your dreams are worth pursuing, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. I'm Sil Curiati. This is a story by Sil Curiati, and I invite you to embark on this journey together, because your dreams are worth pursuing, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Subscribe to my channel, let's have a conversation, and don't let your dreams die. It's still time to change your career and become as successful as you deserve. Let's make magic happen together.